this year I have two wishes that I wish will come true. First, I want to get good at playing guitar. I've only played for 2 months, but if I get good at playing guitar, I could look cool to my friends. It would also help me get into good middle school. Second, I wish that I could play basketball better. The reason why is because I feel less important when playing basketball. It also will help me get in good middle school. This was my wishes that I wish will come true in 2024. Thank you for listening.